Hello students, in today's English video, you are going to learn poem number 14, that is my books. We'll begin with first stanza. I love my books, they are the homes of queens and fairies and knights and gnomes. What poet says that I love my books, why? Because they are the homes of queens and fairies. A student, it is a home of queens and fairies means in that books there is the information about queens and fairies, and also there is information about knights and gnomes. Students, do you know about fairy? Fairy is what? Imaginary character. Means on imagination this character is created. It is not real. Knight means what? See, knight means a man of high social rank who had a duty to fight for his king. Now gnomes means what? See, gnomes means an imaginary creature like a small man with a pointed hat who lives under the ground. This gnome also it is imaginary creature, or you can say character. Like fairy, gnome also is imaginary creature. Students, if you see the spelling of knights and gnomes, in knight spelling K is silent and in gnome spelling G is silent. Next we will move to the second stanza. Each time I read, I make a call on some quaint person, large or small, who welcomes me with a hearty hand and leads me through his wonderland. In second stanza, poet says, each time I read, I make a call. Means each time I read the book, that time I make a call. I make a call means I come to know about, when poet read the books, that time about whom he come to know? About some quaint person who are large or small. Quaint means what? See, quaint means unusual or old fashioned and attractive. Means like these characters are there, old fashioned, attractive. Maybe they are large or small. About them, poet come to know. Poet also says that this quaint person, they welcome him with a hearty hand. Now, hearty means what? Friendly. These quaint persons welcome the poet with the hearty hand, and also they leads him through a wonderland. Leads means takes him. Where they takes him? Through his wonderland. Wonderland means what? See, wonderland means a place full of wonderful things. Now we will move to the last stanza, that is third stanza. Each book is like a city street along whose winding way I meet new friends and old who laugh and sing and take me off adventuring. In this stanza, poet compares book with city street. Poet says each book is like a city street. Means in the city roads are there, and likewise book is there. On a city street there are the winding way. Now winding means what? Bending. You can see picture here. Winding ways are there on the street, and on this winding way of road poet meets to new friends and old who laugh and sing and take him off adventuring. Adventuring means an exciting and daring experience. Poet compares book with city street, and what is telling? On the city street there are the winding way, and there poet meets whom? To a new friends and old, and that friends laugh and sing and take him off adventuring. Student, this is imagination. Actually these friends will not take him to adventuring, otherwise they will not laugh or sing. But this is imaginative poem. On imagination poet has wrote this poem. So he's telling book is like a city street, and on the winding way he meet new friends who laugh and sing with him and take him off adventuring. Students, at the end of the poem you can see the word anonymous. Anonymous means what? Done or written by someone whose name is not known or made public. Whoever wrote this poem, my books, that poet has not published his name, otherwise he has not told his name. So at the end of this poem what is wrote? Anonymous. Instead of writing the name of poet, what is wrote? Anonymous means the name of the poet, it is not known. So anonymous, this word is wrote. Students, I hope you understood this poem. Now I am going to recite this poem. You also can say after me. I love my books, they are the homes of queens and fairies, and knights and gnomes. Each time I read, I make a call on some quaint person, large or small, who welcomes me with a hearty hand and leads me through his wonderland. Each book is like a city street along whose winding way I meet new friends and old who laugh and sing and take me off adventuring. Students, here exercise of poem number 14 is given. You have to copy it in English workbook. Today's homework, students, you have to copy the meanings from page number 43 of workbook in notebook, and you have to write the given question answers in workbook. Also, you have to learn poem My Books. Thank you.